Valve replacement job by the Canary Islands. Wires. Looks like we have a 1-inch line. It's a little bit of extra effort to dig, especially in clay soil. Problem in question is this automatic control valve, ACV. It's leaking. Possible. Come on in and take a look at what we're going to do. We want to go hand tight. Which, as we know, is not actually gluing, we're actually melting. It has to be perfectly dry. Now come on in and take a look. So, if we try to clean up this pipe, usually you'll do a pipe that has some primer left on it. We're gonna